Craig with CraigerCoClassics. I am here in St. Louis, Missouri at a shop. You guys might know it well. Classic Car Studio Speech. You might already recognize him. What do you have over here?
This is our pride and joy, our shop truck, Tiffany.
I've seen it.
Yeah, this was again kind of like a team effort. Everybody threw their hat into the ring on this one. It got real carried away in terms of what we have here and what we started with, but it's been fun. Yeah, absolutely lots of detail, lots of sheet metal work, and really cool fab stuff. But it's it's fun to drive. It's reliable. As crazy it looks, it's nice and reliable. It's got air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, bunch of horsepower, cool custom interior. It's neat.
So is that an LS in there?
It is.
What's suspension? What are the specs of this thing?
So we've got all. Well, let's see. At the time, it was Air Ride Technologies. So we've got all like Firestone bags. It's pretty simple. You basically custom built it, so to make it all work and to make it all. Yeah, it's all custom fab stuff. So.